So this is just a little video to help show how to teach and support the learning of the greater than, less than and equal symbols, which children can find a bit tricky. So for example, if we had 4 and 2, and we want, instead of writing greater than or less than the words, I would say 4 is greater than 2. And again, we practice drawing these symbols, and the way we can help them to understand that it is greater, the greater side, we can fit the greater number, the smaller side, the smaller number. So we can see that 4 is greater than 2. Now, if we wanted to show less than, I might have 3 here and 8 here. Now this time we want to show that it is less than. So I would draw the less than symbol, and again we can see the smaller part is next to the smaller number, the greater part is next to the greater number. And again you've got that visual 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, just initially to help show it that it's the greater number. This is less than, it's a smaller amount. And then the one children are normally a little bit more confident on, if I had 5 and 5, the equal symbol. So just realizing that they are both the same. You might do 5 dots and 5 dots. Each time the idea that the equal symbol is the same. And again, they might need a little bit of practice just drawing the symbols. So our greater than, move that just down there, our less than, and our equal symbol. And again, the idea, the greater than side is the larger side, less than the smaller side, and equal. And you can do lots of fun little activities like this. You might make little flashcards with these symbols on, have lots of little pieces of paper or cards with different numbers on. They could turn both numbers over, have a 3 and a 6, and ask them, right, which symbol do we put in the middle? Or you might want to write a sentence for them and just check, can they read it? What does this one say? 5 is greater than 2. Okay, what does this one say? 3 is less than 8. And again, it might take them a little while if they get a little bit mixed up. They might want to say greater than each time. You say, oh look, the smaller side, the smaller amount is for the less side, the greater amount for the greater side. So again, practicing drawing the symbols, they can be a little bit tricky to start with. And then you can give them 2 numbers, see if they can draw the correct symbol inside. And like I say, you can do this however you want. Might make little flashcards, practice on a whiteboard, some scrap paper, lots of different ways to practice this activity.